Alright, got another video for you guys. Again, this is another video for an EcoFlow solar generator. In my previous video, I took a look at the EcoFlow River Pro 2. But this one is now the smaller variant of that model, essentially. So this is called the River 3, which is EcoFlow's smallest battery that you can purchase. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box and see what it looks like here. So first off, we get a quick start guide, just like usual. And over on the side here, we have our accessories that has all the power cables and stuff in it. So we'll take a look at that in just a second. And then right here on top is the power station itself. As you can see, it's really small. It's got a handle. You can just pull on it, lift it out. And so here is the actual unit. So it's got a little bit of dust on it because I did actually already open it and take it out of the box. So this is kind of a repackaging of myself here, just to give a look at what it comes with. But no, as you can see, this battery pack is incredibly small. I'm holding it with one hand super easily, no problems at all. The weight of it is really quite nice. And again, it has that handle on the back, so you can just carry it around very easily. But on the front here, in terms of your ports, you've got several. So you have a 12 volt DC output jack that you can plug standard kind of 12 volt outlet type of devices into there. Really nice to have. And then you have a power on and off button for that. And then over here in the middle, you have the screen to let you know, give you some details on your power status. Then we have two USB-A ports, a single 100 watt USB-C to charge your phone, so you can have fast charging on your phone, which is great. And then we have two AC outlet plugs over here, as well as the on-off button for those. So you have one that's grounded and a single non-3-prong. And then we have our standard power button right there. On this side, we have a vent as well as two ports underneath the little door. So if I pull the door down, you have the AC charging port. So if you want to plug it into your wall outlet to charge, you can do that. It also has fast charging at up to about 300 to 400 watts. So you can get this charged really quickly, which is great. And then you have your solar input that you can charge via solar panels. And this unit supports up to a maximum of 110 watts of input solar. So you unfortunately can't go above that. But yeah, you can do that. And you also get the option to charge via the 12 volt in your car if you want to do that route as well. On this side, we just have an exhaust fan for cooling, and that is about it. So let's go ahead and just kind of push the power button, turn it on, see what we got. There we go. You can see there, came on. The other cool thing is you can connect this to your phone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. So you can monitor the wattage and or the power draw, both incoming and outgoing for your loads through the phone app, which is really great. But you can see there's no load currently. It's sitting at 100% battery, and we have 85 hours of usage left. Obviously, that will vary depending on what it is you plug in. And then on the side here, we have the input load and the output loads. So you can see how much wattage you're getting in through your different charging sources, and then your outputs to whatever devices you happen to be using. And then again, you can have these. You can turn on the AC and the DC, depending on what it is you're using. So you can turn those on and off, which is great. Now, if I bring in the EcoFlow River 2, and you can see right there the size difference between the two units. You can even turn this one on. You have both screens. And yeah, so obviously the River 3 is for someone that wants a lot more portability and doesn't want something that's real big and heavy to have to lug around. The River 2 Pro can be a little bit hefty, but considering the battery size in the River 2 Pro, it's actually not bad. But again, this one, the River 3, is great for packing around and putting in a backpack even. If you're hiking or something and you need some emergency power or whatever, great option for that. So to come back around here to the accessory box, see what we get in here. This just, again, has all of our accessory wires and stuff that you would need. So the first one here is the 12-volt charger. So you can plug this into your car and charge it while you're on the road. So you can do that, which is a great option. And then, of course, the second option here that comes in the box is the wall outlet charger. If you want to plug it into your home's wall outlet to charge the quickest. Now, the one thing that does not come in the box, unfortunately, is the solar charging cable, which if you have solar panels already and want to use them with this unit, you're going to unfortunately have to purchase the XT60 solar cable for the EcoFlow unit. However, if you are planning to buy a set of EcoFlow solar panels alongside this unit, you will actually get that cable included in the solar panels box, so you don't have to buy that separately if you plan on buying the solar panels direct from EcoFlow themselves. But anyway, that is pretty much it for this quick look at the EcoFlow River 3 portable battery pack. So I will provide a link to basically everything in this video, to the River 3 as well as to the River 2 Pro, as well as to some solar accessories, some panels that I would recommend, as well as that solar charging cable. So anyway, with that being said, hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.